detection area for the leak. You have to put in more air. No, wait.
Hi everyone, I'm Kjell Molord from Sysmex. I'm the sales engineer, environment and safety. And today I have pleasure to be here with our supplier, CAE Systems, with Maik.
Yes, I'm Maik from CAE Software and Systems. We are a Germany-based company, and we focus on making acoustic cameras, developing and producing them.
Yeah.
And today I brought with us the SoundCam Ultra 3. This is our smallest handheld acoustic camera. So the SoundCam Ultra 3 comes in this Pelly case. It's very handy, and inside we have some accessories. Of course, we have the charger, but we also have a power bank, so you can charge the camera while you're traveling. And we have headphones, so you can listen to the sound, and we can also make ultrasound audible. And here's the camera. On the front, we have 176 microphones. Then in the center, there's the video camera, which we use to overlay the acoustic image on. And we have the thermal camera here. And on the back screen, we have a high-resolution display where you can see the acoustic image. And could I ask you to rub over your arm now?
Yeah, sure.
And then you can see where the sound is coming now, live on the screen.
So I'm curious to see everything about compressed air leak now.
Yes, then let's try the compressed air leak mode.
Perfect.
Kjell, can I ask you to pump it up and put some air in so we can see the leak? See if we can find the leak. Yes, we can already see the leak on the camera. And what we should do now is we have that red box, which is the detection area for the leaks. And if we have a leak in the picture, we should bring it into the red box, which will turn yellow then. That means we are collecting data. And once we have sufficient data, it will turn green. And then on screen here, we have some analytics of the leak. So we can tell you how big the leak is and how much it cost you. Once you have it in the box and you have it green, we can take a report and can put in also a comment. And now we have that leak already reported, and we can keep on going to find another leak. So we took a measurement on the camera, and once we have all the leaks reported in the camera, we transfer the data to the PC. And on the PC, we can make a report with all the leaks together. So this is the leak report. After you launch the leak report, you just have to simply select the folder where you have the data. Then you click on Start Analysis, and it will now analyze all the data again. And once it has completed this, you can click on Start Report, give it a name and put in a comment, and then just click on Create a Report, and then you will get a PDF report with all the leaks in it. So this is the PDF report we generated for you. It comes with a title page, and then the summary of all the leaks with some calculation of the potential savings, and then with a tabular overview of all the leaks, and then with details of the leaks. This is very typical to find hundreds of leaks in a production plant. Nobody can repair these leaks in short term, so it's important to focus on the most important leaks. And our leak report helps you with this. It puts the leaks into classes from big leaks to small leaks. And then we have two pie charts. One is showing you how many leaks are there in each class, and the other pie chart is showing you the leak loss of each class. And there you can typically see like the leak, the class with the worst leaks. These are usually just 10% of the leaks, but they usually account for a third of the losses. So if you start with the big leaks, then you only have to solve 10% of the leaks, and you already solved a third of the problem. So with the SoundCam Ultra 3, we can see compressed air leaks, but also other gas leaks. And we have a handheld version, but also for 24/7 monitoring, we have a sensor version here.
So if there are any questions, please reach out and we can help you further.